Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, let's go for the connected devices and tap on the connection preferences. Move to the printing and then simply tap on the default print service. As you can see, our smartphone automatically connects to this HP Color LaserJet Pro printer. And right now, if you want to print something, you have to go for that file that you want to print. So I will go maybe for the photo. So I will enter gallery. Let's take this photo for example, then click on these three dots in the right upper corner and select print. After that we have to add our printer and simply tap on this icon to print that picture. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.